I already kind of made some comments in the WhatsApp chat about this, and I felt like there were some great blocks in 16 and 6, and that Felipe and Manuel could watch each other a little bit. Like I feel like you're both doing a really good example of these blocks, but in different slots, so we need to coordinate that. So we're starting off good on the 6, really nice from Manuel, and good there on the 16. B slot 6 looks good. Okay, really like that slot at the front from Felipe and Manuel. I feel like the dynamic here is very, very nice. Yeah, look at Manuel looking through there, looking, and then very last minute the head switch happens. Back pair, really nice, guys. The dynamic here is good, very tight. And then now, this is where I want you guys to start looking at each other. So Manuel, I want you to watch Felipe when he does the outside center slot. And Felipe, I want you to watch Manuel when he does the point slot in 16. I feel like he does it slightly. You guys just need to learn from each other just a little bit. So with the amount of early rotation from Manuel, look at the difference between Fred and Manuel. We're going back to that very early rotation, which forces a big rotation for Felipe and that wide 6 catch with energy there. Yeah, we'd rather be landing with less energy. And that comes from just you guys doing 2 different block moves. The back pair is doing the block move as we understand it. The front pair is doing a heavy rotation move, which is another technique, but we can't be doing 2 techniques on the same block. So we know about that grip moving. And then from the outside, I feel that, actually that's not bad. That's not bad, Felipe. Cool, so look at the difference here on this 6. The move is more similar with regards to translation from Felipe and Fred, and then when Manuel finishes move, which he does really nicely, it's done with a little bit of rotation to there, but it's stopping shorter. Oh, nice 16, guys. That was better actually, Manuel. I like that. More of a forward move. See that? See you getting the translation going. And also I think, Felipe, you're part of that too, yeah? You need to make sure that you're anchoring up, looking at Marconi, making sure that your center point doesn't go forward of Manuel. Yeah, that's good. This is the one I really want to work on the front. So Felipe, we're missing the tightness here. I think your head is starting to look out, and we're getting a gap in between you guys. The only way that gap will leave is if you keep looking this way and you keep trying to press into Manuel. Watch the way Manuel does it. Oh, let's watch another one. Next one. Sorry guys, be patient with me. There we go. Yeah, here, this dynamic here. Even Manuel, I'd like you to look a little bit longer. I like this. You see the difference between that one that I showed you guys before on the 16? There was a gap there. There's no gap here. And it just means that the energy is in the center. It's like when you guys are spinning block 12. We don't want to see a gap there. We want to see you guys parallel. And even on that, look at that straight away. Look at the gap in between you guys here. Yeah, already that gap is coming because we're not focusing on keeping the energy into the center of that piece. Back pair, I've been very quiet with you guys on this session for a good reason. I feel like you're having good, consistent 16s and 6s. So unless you guys tell me otherwise, it looks like it's working well in those slots.